Best Smart Toilets. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am diving into the world of ultimate bathroom luxury and hygiene. If you are looking to upgrade your daily routine, you are in the exact right place. Let us explore the absolute finest options available right now that will completely transform your bathroom experience. Product number 1. SR Sunrise Smart Toilet. Imagine walking into your bathroom and your toilet lid automatically opening to greet you. The SR Sunrise Smart Toilet makes this a reality with its advanced auto and foot sensors, allowing for a completely hands-free experience. I absolutely love how this model focuses on hygiene and convenience above everything else. It features an incredibly powerful flush with a 1,000-gram score that ensures perfect waste removal every single time without using excess water. The built-in bidet system is an absolute game changer, offering fully adjustable settings that you can control effortlessly with a sleek remote. You can customize the water temperature, spray intensity, and even the bidet position to suit your exact comfort level. Product number 2, Eplo Smart Toilet. Next on my list is the Eplo Smart Toilet, which masterfully combines elegant design with top-tier functionality. What stands out to me the most is its ADA-compliant comfort height, making it incredibly accessible and easy to use for everyone in the family, including individuals with mobility challenges. The hands-free auto open and close lid brings a luxurious feel to your bathroom while significantly improving hygiene. You will never have to worry about a weak flush again, as this unit delivers an exceptional flush performance that clears waste efficiently and quietly. One of my favorite features is the adjustable heated seat, providing maximum comfort during those chilly early morning visits. The built-in multi-wash modes give you a thorough and personalized cleaning experience, perfectly complemented by a warm air dryer. The streamlined one-piece design not only looks stunning, but also makes cleaning the exterior an absolute breeze. It is a perfect addition for any smart home enthusiast. Product number 3, Eplo iX7 Smart Toilet. Moving forward, I have another incredible offering from the same brand, the Eplo iX7 Smart Toilet. This model takes bathroom innovation a step further with its integrated foam dispenser, providing an extra layer of splash protection and unmatched cleanliness. I find the built-in night light to be an incredibly thoughtful addition, guiding you safely in the dark without the need to turn on harsh bathroom lights. The warm water wash is instant and consistent, ensuring a soothing and hygienic cleanse every time you use it. Coupled with the adjustable speed dryer, you can virtually eliminate the need for toilet paper, making your routine much more eco-friendly. The brilliant LED display adds a futuristic touch, allowing you to monitor settings with just a quick glance. Its blackout flush capability ensures that even during power outages, your bathroom remains functional. Product number 4, Bidet Smart Toilet. Let us talk about the Bidet Smart Toilet, a true masterpiece of modern bathroom engineering. I am particularly impressed by its high-efficiency deodorization system that actually breaks down odor molecules instead of just masking them, requiring zero filter replacements. The instant heated seat ensures you are always greeted with warmth, while the thermostatic warm water wash offers multiple modes, including rear, front, and a gentle child mode. The self-cleaning nozzles guarantee optimal hygiene before and after every single use. I appreciate the hands-free automatic operation that triggers the flush and closes the lid as soon as you step away. The powerful vortex siphon technology leaves the bowl spotless while conserving water. This model even features a foam shield that prevents splashing, keeping your bathroom perfectly clean and sanitary. Product number 5, Bonzem Smart Toilet. Wrapping up my list is the Bonzem Smart Toilet, a striking addition featuring a glossy black finish that instantly elevates the look of any modern bathroom. The tankless design gives it an ultra-sleek and minimalist profile that saves valuable space without compromising on performance. I love how intuitive the remote control is, giving you complete command over the water temperature, spray position, and warm air drying functions. The self-cleaning feature is a huge time saver, utilizing a specialized spray to clean the internal components automatically, ensuring a hygienic environment with virtually no effort on your part. The automatic open and close lid, combined with a reliable auto flush, provides a completely touchless experience that is both sanitary and highly convenient. The heated seat adds that perfect touch of everyday luxury. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore these amazing bathroom upgrades. I hope this guide helps you find the perfect match for your home. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting reviews, and I will see you next time.